Hello world. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find subdomain. Before that, subscribe to this channel and press bell icon so you don't miss next video on ethical hacking and web application penetration. First of all, open pentesttools.com. Then type domain name. Let's try google.com. Process will automatically start. As you can see, there is number of domains like home.google.com, files.google.com, and much more. You can see subdomain, IP address, OS, server details and page title. This information will help you to find vulnerabilities on domain. If you find any vulnerabilities on domain, report it to the domain admin so they can patch that vulnerabilities. Some companies have bug bounty programs in which they will pay you if you find vulnerabilities on their domain. If you want to know more about the bug bounty program, comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more ethical hacking and web application penetration testing video.